Vi er i Stockholm. De sidste forberedelser er i gang.
So they have just an hour just to get ready.
Teamet bag IT-konferencen GSE Nordic tjekker op på, at alt er, som det skal være.
The most important thing about the dinner is that they can talk.
Det er Jyske Bank i samarbejde med JN Data, CSC, IBM og Bankdata, der er arrangør af konferencen.
Lige nu der er der sommerfugle i maven. Det er der altid, og jeg tror, hvis man ikke var, så tog man det ikke alvorligt nok. Så det gør vi.
Knap 200 deltagere fra hele verden har fundet vej til den skandinaviske hovedstad for at deltage i den 52. 20. udgave af GSE Nordic.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you to the GSE Nordic Region Conference 2011. We have a good and tight schedule for this conference, and I have a little introductory presentation to you that will bring you into conference mode.
GSE Nordic er en konference, der sætter fokus på de seneste trends inden for mainframe-teknologi. Og det foregår på sessions inden for 6 forskellige spor: DB2, CICS, IMS, General Interest, Mainframe Infrastructure og Application Development. Og det er hotshots fra hele verden, der leverer know-how på de mange sessions.
I'm from IBM and I'm the Vice President of Big Data. And I'm here to share with the customers how IBM is helping the enterprise customers bring large volumes and varieties of data into their enterprise and be able to gain business insights from this data very quickly.
I work for CA Technologies, and I am here to talk about the new stuff that we do. My presentation was about security and how security will change the world when people are moving to cloud and when people are using the mainframe in a different way.
I work for IBM, and I'm here to talk about things that IBM is doing with the DB2 product, which is our premier relational database product for running transactional systems like insurance or banking or those sort of things.
My name is Jose Castano. I work for IBM. I'm the director for System Z strategy and technology. Okay. I was invited to this conference to just come and give a general overview of the System Z strategy.
Der er få helt nye konferencedeltagere med.
Der er masser af indtryk, og det virker til, at der simpelthen styr over alting og gode arrangementer. Så det er super godt indtryk.
Resten har en del anekdoter at dele ud af.
Iceland was just wild. It was light, almost all during the night. The hotel was very isolated from everything, so you really had to spend a lot of time with the guests of the conference. That is the one I remember best, but in all fairness I have to say that every single one of them was just a lot of fun.
Av de sessioner vi har haft under åren, så Bob Rogers sessioner fra USA som har utvecklat MVS CTOS, de är helt fantastiska, så det är en upplevelse i sig själv. Och ellers när vi har de aftonsarrangemangen som är meget välorganiserat, så Blå Lagunen eller någon av de operaföreställningar som vi har haft.
Det er nemlig ikke kun det faglige indhold, der lokker deltagerne med år efter år. Der er altid overraskelser på agendaen. I år er special eventen en guided tur rundt i Gammelstaden, efterfulgt af middag i Skærgården.
Food is good. Wine is good. Everything is good here.
Det er jo sjovt. Det er første gang, jeg er i Stockholm, og så synes jeg, at det er dejligt at møde masser af nye mennesker og se Stockholm i dejligt vejr. Det er jo perfekt timet med vejret og sådan noget. Det synes jeg jo, arrangørerne skal have stor ros for.
Og stemningen er intim, selvom man er 200 på tur.
It's fantastic. It's lots of fun.
Well, it's been very nice to be here again. I've been here for maybe 5 times. And that it's been quite good.
Vi har det sjovt om aftenen, hvor vi kan snakke sammen, og så kan vi lære noget af hinanden også. Det er lidt bedre, så det er helt fint.
Dag 2 på konferencen byder på flere sessions. og afslutningsmiddagen bliver holdt i bedste svenske stil. Sidste dag er det tid til evaluering.
The people are really nice and friendly, and the enthusiasm is very high. It's great to be here, and I look forward to continue to work with this community. It seems like a close-knit family, so this is good to be a part of it.
I think it's an excellent conference. I have been once before, and it's so well organised, and everyone really makes sure that there's lots of opportunities to network and talk to people.
You can sit on any table during breakfast or a dinner, and people will treat you as if you work for the same company. They will tell you the stories that they would tell their colleagues, and that's very, very different in this event.
Og så bliver der sagt farvel og på gensyn.
Thank you for this year, and I would be pleased to welcome you all back in 2012 on Holmenkollen. So have a safe trip back home. Jeg synes, det allerbedste har været, at vi har et så godt tag i IBM's ressourcer, så vi faktisk har svært ved at komme ned på almindelig niveau. Det er vicepræsidenter og fellows, der gerne vil have lov til at optræde her, og de siger, at det her det er den konference, de foretrækker i hele verden.